Welcome back to another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm Satoli. Today we're in Latonia, Kentucky at the site of an old phantom bridge. It didn't carry cars, it didn't carry trains, it carried water. Stay tuned and I'll tell you all about it. This camelback steel truss phantom bridge that spans the Licking River connects Kenton and Campbell counties, although the approach ramps have been removed on each side. The main portion of the bridge that is still standing is about 300 feet long and is probably 80 feet above the Licking River. Many people have assumed, myself included, that this was originally a railroad bridge. However, after doing some research, I found that this bridge was once owned or is currently owned by the Northern Kentucky Water District and used to carry water from Covington to Wilder. This makes sense when looking at the Phantom Bridge and comparing it to the much more robust railroad bridge next to it. This bridge just doesn't look like it has the capacity to hold a rail line. I was unable to find out when the bridge was built, but I'm guessing it was the early 1900s. The bridge was last used in the 1970s, and in the recent past, there was talk about the Northern Kentucky Water District donating the bridge for a link in the Licking River Pedestrian Greenway Trail. If that works out, the bridge would be rehabbed and make for a great addition to the trail project. However, at this time, it sits abandoned, keeping watch high above the Licking River. Thanks for watching another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. Today we were in Latonia, Kentucky. I hope you enjoyed it, and remember, travel slowly and stop often. We'll see you next time.